I have this double door fridge from Westinghouse. We have this for about 15 years, and apparently we have a situation where the door mount bracket cracks and the door handle is kind of loose, and I also have it at the bottom as well. See how it's showing the crack and it start to loose, but apparently this is actually from the top, but I actually replaced it or move it from the bottom to the top. And because this fridge has been around for 15 years and looking for this part is a bit difficult, so I managed to get a second hand on eBay, and it cost not cheap. It cost me around 20 bucks for each one, but I managed to speak to the guy to give me discount. So yeah, I managed to get 3, and if I look at on the other website, apparently the color is no longer silverish or stainless steel color, although this is made of plastic, but the color is still stainless steel. The brand new one, the color is sort of like cream or white, so I just try to save my time recoloring or spraying to match with the original color. So stay tuned while I'm going to replace the broken one with the one that I just bought from eBay. Let's do a bit of cleaning. It's dirty, this one. I think this is the tool I need. Okay, the truth about this is you need to push up and pull. Easy. Okay, on the closer look, this one's still good. This one, the middle one, is pretty much damaged, and the bottom one is worn off. See this one? Okay, so I'm going to replace the bottom one and the middle one. Okay, I gave up. I just tried to use this drill. It's probably faster. Alright, it's coming off. And take off the bottom one. little slowly this time. I'm going to throw this one away. Nice and steady and strong. Now put this thing back where it came from. Now push it down. Okay, let's use a rubber mallet to push this handle down. Yep. Nice and easy. Now let's test it out. Perfect. Perfect. Okay, this is the short video how to change the door mount for this double door fridge from Westinghouse, and the description for this fridge is in the description below. So if you find this video useful, always give a thumbs up and support my channel by click on the subscribe button. Okay, until then, I'll see you next time. Bye.